What's up, boys? This is Matt back at you with another speed video. Today is going to be a good one for those that are looking to shoot flames. Back in the day,
well, back in my day,
before my car had the aftermarket turbo it has now, and for its tune now with the wastegate and stuff, it used to shoot flames, which is what triggered this whole cycle of mods. I'll be going over with you the mods that my Speed had at the time of doing this tune, because this footage is actually from around a year ago. So I didn't have my aftermarket turbo and being RS3 or at all the same exhaust setup. Jumping right into it, with the mods that my car had a year ago, it was still in the stock turbo, it was in the KO4. It did have the Damon oil restrictor bolt, oil feed restrictor. Those of you that are on stock turbo probably know what I'm talking about. With the stock turbo it had an ATP catless downpipe. It's pretty hard to find catless downpipes these days. Mine had the ATP long, straight, like one piece catless downpipe. Just to the stock mid pipe, which I had resonator delete. It was a straight pipe exhaust going to blast pipes in the back, and I love the way that looked, but it was a little obnoxious. You'll see that soon. It didn't have the front mount, it had the top mount intercooler, the CP top mount, and it ran great for what it was until you go aftermarket exhaust manifold is when your heat starts really kicking up in the engine bay. That's when you got to go front mount. But the CP top mount looked sick. I loved it. So you're all probably wondering who I was tuned by. I was tuned by Sratifiedauto. It was through an e-tune through the access port, and it was an alright tune. It pulled great. Actually, it was a good working tune, and I actually chose to do the exhaust flames, the pops. It's called their crackle tune. They have they have an aggressive crackle, and they have like a normal crackle, I guess you call it. But I don't know if it would shoot flames in the normal crackle. So if you want to shoot the flames, that's how you do it. You get a stratified tune, and you go with the excessive crackle or aggressive pop tune, or you can get a separate tuner to do that. But not a lot of tuners will tune flames in, like shooting pops and stuff, because they know what it does to turbos and possibly your motor, which is sending a rod to the moon. I was running probably like 18 pounds of boost, I think. It had a stage 2 cork sport intake on it, with a tile QR bypass valve as to take place of the blow-off valve. It sounded great. It was a good setup. As you'll see, it sounds great. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe for more weekly content every Wednesday at 11 a.m. Follow our Instagram at 7 Values Garage. I usually post on there daily. You see all the boys' cars, our S2000, more speed content, and our buddy Corey's IS300. It's a 1J swap in it. Don't forget to like the video. Make sure you comment what car you like to see the most. We're going to get a lot more content on all the cars coming this spring.